I have 5 different moisturizers here from it did not break. My chest is beating so hard. The product is already empty, but I just didn't want to have shattered glass in my house. This is a review no one asked me for, but I have used 5 moisturizers from Biotherm, and I'll be sharing with you guys my final thoughts on them, let you know which one, I can repurchase with my money. Please bear in mind that all these moisturizers were gifted. I've been on Biotherm's PR list since last year. Going forward, I'll share with you guys what I received from them. I will also post some unboxings that I've done that I've not posted. So look out for YouTube shorts for that. So let's get into this review. I'm going to review them in the order of how I opened them. So the very first one I opened is the one that fell. This is the Biotherm Blue Pro-Retinol Multi-Correct Cream. This is said to be a lightweight cream with retinol derivative. I recommend this to you if you are new to retinol and you want just something really light. This is something you should add to your stash. It is slightly white in color. It is not heavily fragranced, but it contains alcohol. I use this only at night, so I recommend you also use that at night so that during the day you can apply sunscreen. This is suitable for all skin types and it comes in 3 sizes: 30, 50 and 75 ml. I have here the 50 ml and it retails for $98. But you can find it cheaper at duty free, or if you're in Europe, you definitely find like an online retailer that sells, their products with some good discounts. So yeah, this one I like and I definitely can repurchase this with my money. I also already have a backup which comes as a set. So it has a serum, eye cream, and also this moisturizer, of which I have also used the serum of this. Maybe I'll do a detailed video of all 3 when I use the eye cream, because I'm yet to use it. So let's move on to the next one that I opened. Next is the Cera Repair Barrier Cream. This is set to leverage ceramides to reinforce and repair the skin barrier for a healthy looking skin from the very first use. This is thick yet lightweight, can be used by dry skin and also sensitive skin. I use this a lot in the winter, especially during the day and on some nights when I use like retinol to like seal up everything. It's not available in the US yet, but it's coming soon. This retails for €24 up, depending on the size you purchase. This is the 75 ml right here, and the cheapest I've seen it for is for €35. One thing I like about it is that it is not heavily fragranced and it is alcohol free. The color is white. For how it feels on the skin, I totally recommend it. It was really nice to use this one. I didn't want it to finish. You can see that I left, some bits. This one, I definitely see myself purchasing it with my own money. I'm going to move on to the next one, which is Biotherm Homme Aqua Power Advanced Gel. Now, this one is said to be an ultra moisturizing gel for men. It's designed to combat dryness and, external aggressors. It retails for about $35. The first thing you notice with this one is that it is heavily fragranced. Oh my god. I'm not a fan of how it smells. It's a mint color moisturizer. I find how it smells overpowering. It smells like men deodorant or men perfume. Those like basic men perfume that like really strong. And to be honest, this does not leave the skin. So when it dries down, you can still smell the fragrance it has, which I'm not a fan of. It's really, really strong. All skin types can use this. I know it says it's for men, but aside the fragrance, I feel like all skin types can definitely use this one up. It's great for either winter or summer, in my opinion. So this is not something I see myself purchasing. I actually did abandon this to open the next moisturizers I will show you. Hold on. So have you used any of these moisturizers that I've shared with you guys? Let me know in the comment section. So moving on to the next one I have here with me, Biotherm Aqua Hyalu Plump Gel. This is said to provide 48 hours of multi-depth moisture, fighting daily aggressors for visibly replenished, plump, and radiant skin. It comes in 3 sizes. I have here with me the, I believe, 50 ml. Yeah, this is the 50 ml and it's sold for as low as €19 in the EU. This is also available in the US. I think I should have a little bit here. It's almost white, but not fully. It's just slightly, I'll say it's more cloudy in my opinion in terms of what it looks like. Let me sniff this. I can't actually remember how or what this smells like. It is fragranced, but I can't really remember if it was really heavy, but it is fragrance and it contains alcohol. This is really lightweight. This is one you would enjoy or you'd like to use in the winter. In summer, maybe if you went light-handed, you'll be nice in summer, but this one is a great one to use in winter. Do I see myself repurchasing this? I really don't know. With this one, I am not sure if I'll repurchase it, but I actually do have a bigger size as backup. So maybe when I try that one out, I will give you guys an update as to if I'll be able to repurchase it with my money. But so far, this one is like I'm undecided on it, if that makes sense. Now it's time for me to share with you guys the final one, and this happens to be my favorite moisturizer from Biotherm. It's the Biotherm Aqua Cica Nutri Cream. I love this stuff. If it has a jumbo size, I will purchase it with my money. That's how good this is. First of all, hold on. This is said to be a rich moisturizing cream that boosts the skin's moisture and reserves it for 48 hours. This, oh my god. This intensely hydrates my skin. And in the morning, my face glows differently. It's quite instant in the sense that I wear this to bed because it's a very thick, when I say very thick, in terms of all the ones I've tried, I find this, thick. When I wear this to bed and I wake up in the morning, my skin glows. It feels like very bouncy, rich, and that's kind of shine bright like a diamond. Like my face is glowing really nice. You'd think I use some collagen sort of product. This right here is my own collagen in a bottle. I love it. It can be used by all skin types. It is fragranced and it contains alcohol. This has a weird smell or a weird scent. It's weird. I kind of like how it smells. It smells like powders that we apply on our bodies, not the ones that are unscented, the scented ones. And it's also very relaxing. But some people may find this overpowering. For me, who don't really like products that are very strongly scented, I actually like this one. It's not as strong as the homme one. That one is a lot. But this one, I absolutely love it. I'm sure you guys can already tell with how I have described this over and over again. I like it and I recommend it to you guys. It retails for, it comes in 3 sizes. It retails for as low as 20 euros. Come on. I was so sad that this was 30 ml because I was like, how is this so good and I'm getting 30 ml? This is good stuff. So, this one, I see myself repurchasing it over and over again. But I do have a lot of moisturizers. But if I had one now, like a bigger bottle, I definitely will ignore orders and, open it up. That's how much I like it. So overall, they are all nice moisturizers, but they could be better if they were less fragrance or if they were like, fragrance free. Have you tried any of these moisturizers from Biotherm or any products from them? Let me know in the comment section. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe down below. Please hit that subscribe button and I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah! Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching and do have a wonderful day.